friends to
We
join
have
in.
to make this, right?
Now we will do something with it. We'll do an activity with what I had asked you to do.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what we have to make this, right?
Yes. I'll tell you what you have to do. I'll tell you what you have to do.
What we are doing?
Kabir will be doing an activity right now. I had to ask you to get your art supplies, scissors, glue, and the printout, right? So I'll tell you what you have to do. But before we do that, let's just do something fun first. Remember this? Who remembers this? Who remembers doing this?
Ma'am, I remember.
Yes, let's try again. Let's everyone try again. One by one. Let's try this again. Okay, yes, Ayat. No, it's not red bus, it's red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. Okay, okay, yes, Ayat.
Red lorry, yellow lorry,
one by one.
yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry.
Is it red or red? Ooh, that was fast. Okay. Next, yes, Mifra. Yes, Mifra. Yes, Mifra.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, red. Ma'am, I want to say this. Can I say?
Yes, you may say.
Ma'am, can I say?
Okay, yes, Mifra.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Mifra.
Ma'am, what do we need? Can I say?
I'll tell you. Wait, I'll tell you. Yes, Mifra. Start.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red lorry.
Very nice.
Red lorry, yellow
Mifra.
lorry, red lorry.
Very nice, Mifra. Next, who wants to go next? Okay, Mariam. Yes, Mariam.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow
lorry. It's lorry. It's lorry.
lorry.
Yes.
Red lorry, yellow lorry. Seashell on the seashore.
Yes, we'll do seashell on the seashore also. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Kabir. Yes, Kabir. Okay.
Ma'am, I don't have the printout.
Okay, those of you who don't have a printout, what you can do is you can draw it in a sheet of paper. Okay, you can draw it in a sheet of paper. Even I was unable to get a printout, so I drew it on a sheet of paper like this. Okay, so those of you who don't have a printout can draw it on a sheet of paper. Okay, so yes, who wants to go next for red lorry, yellow lorry? Khadija, Rufaida, why don't you try? Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry.
Red lorry, yellow lorry,
faster.
Yellow lorry.
Not lorry.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Which printout we have to take?
The one I had sent. Okay. Okay. So the Mariam, the one that I sent it on the WhatsApp group that you have to get a printout. Okay. It was this one. I had asked you, I had sent this over.
I know, I'm telling you.
And I had asked you to get a printout of this. If anyone is unable to get the printout, then you can always draw it on a sheet of paper. Okay, now
it's on Google
No, I have uploaded. I had sent this on the WhatsApp group. Okay, WhatsApp group. So what we are going to do today is we are going to make our own Loch Ness monster. Remember the Loch Ness monster we made?
Loch Ness monster.
Yes, we met in the previous class. So we will make our own Loch Ness monster today. So what we'll do is we'll make it like this. Yes. So the printout that I had asked you to get are those of you who have drawn it on a sheet of paper. We'll have to cut it out. Okay, we'll cut it out. We'll cut out the outlines. According to the outlines, we'll cut it out. This is the head and the neck. This is the tail and this is the back.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, these are the back. These are the back humps. This is the head or neck, and neck, and this is the tail, eyes and mouth. Okay, and we'll cut it out, and then we'll stick it on the sheet of paper. You can stick in your art book, and we'll first you have to color it. You have to make the sea. We will make the lake here.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mifra.
can I stick it on a piece of paper?
Yes, yes, you can. You have to stick it on a piece of paper. If you want, you can stick on a piece of paper like this,
Ma'am, can I
or you can stick it in your art
any
book.
color that I want?
Yes, you can color your Loch Ness monster any color, but then the water of the lake you can color it blue color. Okay, so we'll all cut it out. You can take help from your elders if you are unable to cut it out. Okay. No. First cut it out. First cut it out like this. First cut out the.
Ma'am, okay, ma'am.
First take out the cutout.
I have my own scissors. See.
Okay, yes. So cut it out properly. Okay, make sure you don't cut yourself.
Small.
So be careful while you cut it out. So see, you need to cut it this way. We'll cut it all out.
Look.
Yes, and then we'll make our own Loch Ness monster today. And you all can give your your Loch Ness monsters whatever name you want to give. The Loch Ness monster that was found in that they believed that they saw in the Loch Ness, the lake in Scotland, was nicknamed as Nessie. So if you want, you can give whatever names you want to your Loch Ness monsters. Okay. So this is, I've cut the head. I'm almost about to cut the head. I think it became the neck. It became a bit big. Yes. After you stick it, then you can color it properly. Okay. So see, I've got a nice cutout of the head and neck. So I've got the head and neck. Next, I'll cut the eyes. We'll have to cut the eyes and the mouth properly. Okay. We have to cut the neck, eyes, and the mouth very carefully.
Ma'am, what type of treatment? Okay.
Go on there. You're talking and it's on.
Yes, what happened, Maria? Those of you who were unable to get printout, it's completely fine.
Sit on this.
You can always draw it, sketch it on a paper, and then you can cut it out. Okay. What happened, Mifra?
Nothing.
Okay. So see, I've got the mouth as well. I've cut the mouth. I've cut the mouth. Now I'll cut the eye of the monster. So before we stick it on the paper, we will color it first. We'll color the water of the lake first. So you can do that, and then we'll stick it, because we are unable to see the whole of the monster. We are just able to see its head along with its neck and the hump of it. Okay, its back
Ma'am, shall I write
and the
like
tail.
yearly
Other remaining
expectation?
tails we were unable to see. See, I've got the eyes also. I've cut the eyes now. Now I'll cut the back hump. The back hump and the tail.
Ma'am, I've got the printout.
Okay. So now you
Because
may cut.
I have a printing machine at my house.
Oh, okay. So now you can.
Ma'am,
Yes.
why are you showing the picture? Because there is a small picture on the paper. See?
Yes. So you can. This is a bigger picture, right? So there, yours is in black and white. So here you can see it's colorful and how you can stick it, right? So that's why I showed it a bit in a bigger size.
Colorful too.
Yes, and okay, and this is I'm showing this picture because it is bigger in size, right, compared to the one that is at the sheets. That see, I've got the tail also. So I've got the eyes, the head, neck, the tail, and the mouth. Now I'll cut its back hump.
I'm cutting it back from only.
Oh, I've
And I cutted the head.
Okay, okay. When you cut the mouth and the eye, be careful because it's very small, tiny. So make sure you don't cut the whole thing. Just you have to cut along the outline. After the Loch Ness monster, we are going to meet another monster. That are the dragons.
Which monster?
We've already met the dragon, right? So in the next class,
Yes.
yes. So in the next class, we'll make a dragon as well. We'll do an activity on dragon as well. We'll make our own dragon. We'll make our own monsters. After dragon, we'll make.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I draw it.
You've drawn
मैं
it.
drawing
Okay.
करने वाला हूँ, ma'am.
Okay. After you draw it, you have to cut it along the outline. Okay. You have to
Okay.
make. You have to make. Yes. You have to make the.
I have a question for you.
Yes. Mifra, what's your question?
Why is this monster called Loch Ness monster?
Why is it called Loch Ness monster? Because Loch Ness is a place in Scotland. Okay, it's a lake in Scotland where this monster is believed to live. Okay, they believe that this monster is found in this particular lake that is called as Loch Ness. So that's why it has gotten the name of Loch Ness monster, the monster that lives in Loch Ness. Wait, I'll show you where is Loch Ness. Let's go on Google Earth, our favorite place.
Ma'am, what color, ma'am?
Okay, Yasir, you need to first. You don't need to color it. You have to make the outline. If you want, you can color it also. The Loch Ness monster, you can color your own. You want to make gray color, you want to make black color, you want to make green color, whatever color you want, you can make it. Okay. So let me show you where exactly does the Loch Ness monster.
Yeah, feel like this. You have to color it.
Yes, I'll tell you where. I'll show you where exactly they believe. It's believed that the Loch Ness
Ma'am,
monster.
look, I cut the eye.
Yeah, show me. Yes, it's quite small. Oh, yes. Keep it properly and cut the mouth as well. So, Yasir.
And my last piece is mouth. See on the screen.
Yes, yes, Yasir.
Show me the screen.
Okay. So, Yasir, just hold on a second. First, I'll show you where exactly does the Loch Ness monster lives. Okay.
Google Earth no screen.
No. Wait. I'm showing that also. Okay. Wait, I'll just show you where the Loch Ness monster lives. Where did my back come go? Another way. There is this.
अच्छा वाला मम्मी के पास है अच्छा वाला मम्मी को मैं देने बोलेगी मुझे मैं आपको दूंगी ठीक है
Okay. So
मैम see the mouth
yes.
It's like my mustache.
Oh, like a mustache. Yes. See, this is where the Loch Ness monster is believed to live in. This is where. So this lake is named as Loch Ness. Okay. This is why, that is the reason why it's called as the Loch Ness monster, or the monster that lives in the Loch Ness. So this is Loch Ness, the lake Loch Ness. Loch means lake in Scottish language here. So this is where the Loch Ness monster is found. This lake in Scotland here. And the name that they gave it to was Nessie. So that's why I said you can give your own name to your own Loch Ness monster. So this is where the Loch Ness monster lives. Okay, so Yasir, this is what you have to draw. See.
I cut it the whole piece.
You've cut it out? Okay. Let me also finish, then I'll... Okay, so Mifra, why don't you color, take your note, art book or a paper where you are going to where you are going
I
to...
have a paper.
Okay, so color it for the lake. Okay, color it with blue color for the lake, the water. Okay, at the bottom, how much ever water you want, you can color it out. Mifra, are you not taking medicines?
I'm taking.
Okay, please take.
Can I do about 3%?
Mom, करने का है क्या?
Yes.
Like about the family's expenses.
Ma'am, I cut everything out.
Okay,
Now what we have to
if you have cut everything out, what you have to do is take your art book or your or a sheet of paper where you are going to stick the body parts of the Loch Ness monster, where you are going to do at the bottom. You have to color it first. Make the lake. First, make the
I'm
lake.
coloring the Loch Ness monster, see?
Okay. Yes, you whichever color you want to color, you can color it. Okay.
I'm coloring on the screen.
Oh, you're coloring it on the screen. Okay. Okay. Yasser is drawing, so he'll be unable to see it if you color it on the screen. So we've done. Even I've got.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you show how to make it.
Okay, I'll show you. Wait.
Confused.
Wait, I'll show you how you have to make. Wait.
Ma'am. Ma'am, it's like this. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it looks like this. Which color are you going to color the Loch Ness monster?
It depends on you. Whichever color you want to make. Yes, you have to do it that way. See, wait.
But which will you?
Which will I do? I don't have.
Ma'am, look.
Show me. Asma, you have to
Will
do it
you
this
do
way.
green?
I'm thinking of doing it black color. Or should I do it red color?
Black?
Black. Any color, whichever color I want, I'll do it.
I'm doing green.
Green. Okay, I'll also do it green only. I'll color the Loch Ness monster also
I'm
green in
doing
color.
green too.
Okay, even I'll do green
Also black.
color.
Ma'am, why is everyone copying me?
No problem. If you want, if anyone wants to do also green color, it's completely fine.
Ma'am, show me the screen.
There you go, Yasir. This is the screen how you have to do. Okay, wait.
Ma'am, this is also screen. I do kya?
Wait.
Abba, look, I'm making a Loch Ness monster. You know Loch Ness monster? Huh? It was gave as the name of Nessie.
The Loch Ness monster was
Yes.
named as Nessie. Yes, it's a monster that lives in Loch Ness.
Do you know Loch Ness, Abba? It's a water.
It's a lake.
It's a lake.
Yes, in Scotland.
Abba, it's a lake in Scotland.
Where the Loch Ness monster lives.
show the picture of where the Loch Ness monster lives.
Yes, I'll show you. Wait. This is where. This is the lake.
is called Loch Ness.
Yes, its name is Loch Ness. This lake. Loch means lake. Loch is lake. See, you have another loch, Dantal Shack. So that loch means lake. Okay. Loch is lake in Scottish language. Okay, here in Scotland, a lake is called as loch. You have the Loch
Ma'am,
another
You
lake.
can
Yes.
show me the picture again, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, it's Loch. So this is where. So there are so many lakes. So this is okay. Where did Loch Ness go? Yes. So this is Loch Ness, the Lake Ness. Okay. So this is where the Loch Ness monster believed to live.
Ma'am, look, I made the lake.
Yes. Now you have to. Oh wow, Asma, very nice. Now we will stick it according to this image. Okay. So let's stick it. So see, I'm also sticking it. Wait, I'll show you how we have to do. Let me quickly stick the eyes and the mouth of the Loch Ness of the monster. What name should I give this monster?
Ma'am, I get my Loch Ness monster Nessie.
You are also going to call your Loch Ness monster Nessie. Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Okay, so let's see. See, I've stuck the eye. I've stuck the eye of the Loch Ness monster. The monster, I've stuck the eye of it. Now I'm going to stick its mouth. Yes, Ibrahim.
I will call my name, my Loch Ness monster. My name is Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Oh.
Same name, Dinosaur.
Okay.
Mama, look at Ma'am, I'm gonna keep my
See,
Loch
I've
Ness
stuck. So this is
monster.
it. So you have to stick the mouth and the eye. You have to stick the mouth and the eye of the monster this way. See, I've stuck it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so small that I almost I'm gonna call my Loch Ness monster meow.
Okay, you can write the name at the side, like it's written Loch Ness monster on the screen. So you can write under that the name of your monster. So see, I've already stuck the eyes and the mouth of this monster. So we'll stick it this way. We'll stick it this way. Okay. Stick the eyes and the mouth.
I just my Loch Ness monster so differently.
Yes.
I like for different colors.
Okay, okay. You may,
Different
yes, you may write. You can make it as colorful as you want. Yes. Now, after you've stuck the mouth and the your mouth, yeah, you finish. Now cut it out, Yasir. You have to cut it according to the along the outlines of the monster. Okay, what you've made. See, now I've stuck the.
कलर करके कट करने का है क्या?
If you want, you can color it right now, or you can color it after you. Okay, do something. Cut it out, then stick it. After sticking, you can color it. So see, I've stuck the head and neck of the monster here on the paper. See, I've stuck it here. Now I'll stick the back humps. What's happening? Who's shouting?
I made the color differently.
Okay, yes, Ibrahim, whatever color you want, you can use it.
Lily.
Okay.
And look at my helicopter teacher. It's a
Oh,
it's a
so
toy.
cute. So cute. So see, I've stuck another back of it. I've stuck the back of.
Next time, can we make a helicopter?
No, in the next one, we are making a dragon. See, I've made it. Wait, let me quickly.
Next time, when we are done making dragon, when we
Okay.
make a helicopter,
Okay, we'll try and make a helicopter as well.
pick one.
So see here, you can see I've stuck the head and neck and one of its back. Now another back, I'll stick it here. You have to also do it, and then we will color it out. Okay. And our Nessie will be completed. But make sure you color it also. Make the lake as well. You can use sketch pens. You can use color pencils. You can make crayons. Anything, whatever you want, you can use it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I'm gonna keep my Loch Ness monster's name Cula.
Chula.
Yes.
You were about to keep it meow. No?
No.
No? See, I've stuck the other back also. I've stuck both the backs here. Now let's see the third one. Now the last one, I'm sticking its tail. So, Mifra, can I take the name Meow of the Loch Ness monster? Should I name my Loch Ness monster as Meow?
Yes.
If you are not naming it Meow, should I take that name?
Yes. I'm not keeping my Loch Ness monster name. Name it Softy.
Softy. Oh wow. See, now I've stuck the tail as well. I've stuck all the three. I've stuck the head and the head, neck, and the eyes, mouth, the back, and then you have the tail here. So I've made it. Now I just need to color it. Let me quickly see where can I get the color pencils first. So
I have crayons.
yes, you can use crayons, you can use sketch pens, you can use
I'm
color
using
pencils,
crayons.
whatever you want. Yes.
I'm using crayons.
Okay, you may use anything you want. And once you've made this, please make sure you.
Ma'am, do you know what I made yesterday?
What did you make? Wow, what's that?
Picture frame. It's a sunset.
So pretty.
It's a picture frame. Ma'am,
So pretty. You can make a picture frame. You can put this Loch Ness monster in a picture frame as well. Yes, Mifra? Yes, Mifra?
I made something yesterday too.
Okay, show me after you finish this. Okay, Mifra? Okay. So once you finish, once everyone finishes their Loch Ness monster, yes, show me.
Wait a minute. See, these monsters look happy, right?
Yes. It looks weird.
Nothing. I know how to make that. One.
Ah, it's angry
Ma'am,
now.
even I know how to make
Okay,
that.
okay. I'll see everyone's after you finish this one.
Ma'am,
Okay.
even I know how
Okay, okay,
to
okay,
make
okay.
that once. I made that once.
Okay, okay. I'll see it in the next class. Everyone's a monster in the next class. Right now, about this Loch Ness monster. Now, as soon as you finish this, what you can do is you can upload this in the Google Classroom as well as in the WhatsApp group. Send it to me on the WhatsApp Curie group. Okay, I'll see it there, or you can upload in the Google Classroom as well. So this is what the Loch Ness monster will look like at the end. Make sure you color it, make the lake and color the body of the Loch Ness monster as well. I don't have a color pencil right now. Let me quickly go and check if I have the color pencil somewhere lying around. I'll just be back. Oh, what's that, Asma? What's that? Asma, what's that? What have you made?
Yeah, monster banana monster.
Okay.
तो हमको एक पेपर दो.
Asya, have you finished it? Ayat, are you done? Show me. Okay. Take your time, everyone. Take your time. Once you finish it, raise your hand and I'll see your work.
Look, I made a gift.
Oh, whose gift is that?
The gift inside it starts with the letter D.
Okay. So, have you finished the Loch Ness monster, Asma?
Asma, is it a doll? Yes. Yes.
No, I don't like dolls.
Okay.
I don't like dolls. I'm scared of dolls.
What?
Yes.
Scared doll.
Yes, really. I've never played with dolls. I'm very scared of dolls.
That's because you are adult.
No. I'm scared since I was your age. I'm scared. Yes,
done.
you're done. Show me, Ibrahim.
Look.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Nice. Pretty. Okay. So, Ibrahim, you can post that in the Google Classroom or WhatsApp.
He looks exactly like
Okay.
me.
Ibrahim.
I have black hair and I'm wearing a
Oh, okay.
Pink.
Ibrahim,
and I'm
Ibrahim.
wearing black pants.
Okay, please,
Yes.
please make sure you name your Loch Ness monster. Give a name. Write the Loch Ness monster on top. How this is written and give a name to it. What name would you like to give your Loch Ness monster?
Send the name in Google Classroom.
No. Write it down, Asma. Like you can write it this way. Wait.
Ma'am, could you post it on a Loch Ness monster on WhatsApp so we can see
Yes,
it?
you can send it.
Which tab do we have to upload this on?
Yes, ma'am, you can upload this in the Google Classroom or WhatsApp group. You
Yeah,
can
in
upload both.
Google Classroom, which tab under which subject?
Curie, social.
Do you know where I keep my
Social
family
SG,
tree?
yes, social.
Ma'am,
Yes.
look.
Yes, Asma?
Look at my family tree.
Oh, wow, you kept it. Nice. Pretty.
I keep it on my desk so I
Oh,
can
it's
see it
nice.
every day.
It's so beautiful.
Ma'am,
Yes.
could you post your own photo on Google
Okay.
Classroom or WhatsApp so we can take an example from it?
Okay, I'll post this also. Okay, but I've not. I will not be able. I have to color my own one. Then I'll give. So I've named my Loch Ness monster as I've taken hint from Mifra and I've written it. I've given it the name of Meow.
I'm going to
you
name
know
mine
that?
Daphne.
So I've written it this way.
Do
See,
you know that?
Loch Ness monster. Loch
Ma'am,
Ness
I'm going
monster.
to
Meow. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm going to name my Loch Ness monster Nessie.
Okay, you may name it Nessie as well.
Ma'am,
Yes.
whatever has my family name on it, I keep it next to the family tree.
Okay. Okay. Nice. So Asma, have you named your Loch Ness monster?
Yes, Softy.
Softy. Okay, so you can write it this way. See, I've also written it this way. Loch Ness monster. I've given the name
The
Meow.
spelling of Softy.
Loch Ness monster Softy. SOFTIE.
Can you say that again?
SOFT.
But slowly.
Okay. Okay. What is the spelling of soft?
S-O-F.
SOFTIE. TIE.
F. After F, it's T.
T then IE.
I.
Yes. Who else has finished?
Softy.
Ibrahim, what name did you give to your Loch Ness monster?
My name. And
Mine?
then I call it Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Oh my God.
And I give my name.
Okay, so you've given. Why don't you name it Dino? Loch Ness monster Dino. Nickname. Let's.
So I
Yes.
put my name.
Okay. Okay. So who else has finished it? Oh yes, nice, Asma. Asma, stick its head properly. Stick the head. It's falling off again and again. So put some glue on its head near its neck. At this part, put the glue, and then you'll be able to stick it properly. Yes, there where you have held it. Put some glue there, and then you can. Oh, it's moving also. Very nice. Good. Yes.
Is small. Can I stick one?
Okay, yes, it's fine. You can stick also. You can also stick one. It's completely fine. You can stay and Ayat, make the tail. Show me, Amna. Yes, nice.
I'm done with
Amna,
mine.
please color it.
Shall I
Amna,
share?
please color it. Color it as well, okay? Color it.
Yes.
Ayat, at the end, stick its tail. Yes. Oh, nice, nice. Ayat, give a name to it now. Give a name. What would you call your Loch Ness monster as? What would you give what name would you give it to? Loch Ness monster. What? Let's give a name. Ibrahim here has given it the name Dinosaur. Asma has given the name Softy. I have given the name as Meow. And Mifra, what name have you given? Okay, Hulk. Oh, nice, nice, very nice, good. Okay, who else is done? Yes.
I'm going to keep my Loch Ness monster's name Hula.
You are going to keep your Loch Ness monster's name as
Hula.
Hula. Oh, nice. Who else has finished it? Ahmed, have you finished it? No? Okay. Rufaida, are you done?
Just one part, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Kabir,
Ma'am, can you show me the tail?
okay, wait.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, show me, Kabir. Oh, yes. Now stick it. Now stick it also. Okay, make the. Oh, nice, nice. Have you thought of Kabir, show again? Oh wow, he has drawn clouds and sun also. Very nice. Show the head again, Kabir. Oh, didn't you stick the eyes and the mouth?
I have to stick
Okay,
the
okay,
eyes in the mouth.
okay. Stick it then. And what name have you chosen for your monster?
Alan.
Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, nice. Khadija is still doing it. Tawheed, have you finished it?
No.
No? Okay. Do quickly. Mariam?
Wow. Darkness, monster, Nessie. Darkness, monster, Nessie. It's okay.
Mariam, have you finished it?
Ma'am, I'm going to finish.
Okay.
I'm just about to.
Yes, Mifra? Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Pretty. Have you written its name?
No.
Okay, write the name.
There's no space.
You can write at the top. You can write at the top.
But I made clouds there.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. No problem. Oh, you have just above the clouds. You can write above the clouds. Just write its name.
Small.
Yes. You can write.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I write it. I also make
You
it.
finished it.
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. Oh, nice. Now you have to stick it in a
Ma'am,
paper. Rufaida?
ma'am, I will not stick on the paper. I will make one paper. I will bring one paper. I will just fold it. Then I will make the water.
Okay, okay. Do that. Do that, Rufaida.
Ma'am.
Okay, do that and send it. Okay, quickly. Yes, Mifra?
My dragon is born.
Yes, show me.
हाँ अलग-अलग नाम रखना है ड्रैगन का.
Yeah, no, that's not a dragon. No, that's not a dragon. That's the Loch Ness monster, right? Oh, nice, Ayat. Very nice. Ahmad, are you finished? Rufaida, what name have you chosen for the Loch Ness monster?
Goldie.
Goldie. Oh, nice. Yes, Mifra?
Can you tell me the spelling of Cula?
Cula, C-U-L-A.
Ma'am, look, I have another gift.
Oh, wow, nice. Mifra, are you fighting?
Ma'am, guess what's inside now?
What's inside now? What is it?
You have to guess.
Does it have a chocolate in it? Is it a chocolate? Yes,
P.
Mifra?
Starts with P. Can you
Okay.
tell me the spelling of Cula?
Okay, the spelling for Cula is C-U-L-A.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes?
It starts with the letter P.
Pencil.
No.
Pass.
Dear.
Okay.
Purse.
Okay, purse. Nice. Okay. Okay. Who else has finished it?
It's her birthday.
Whose birthday is it today?
The doll's birthday.
Oh, okay. The doll's birthday is today. Okay. Yasir, Mariam, Asya, Mariam Sheikh, have you all finished it?
Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Yes, Mifra?
Look. I put
Oh.
the name.
Oh, yes. Nice. Okay.
Ball.
Ball.
No. Bog.
Bog.
Bog. Yeah.
Okay. Right. You can write the name. So everyone, please make sure you click a picture and upload in the Google Classroom, or you can upload it in the WhatsApp group, or you can upload it in both these places. Okay.